I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to this series where we are going to find the volume of 3D shapes. I'll provide you with all the required formulas, so this particular video can help you to find volume of any 3D shape which normally comes in test papers. The question here is to find volume of each of the following. We have taken 5 examples. A. Square-based prism with height of 4 centimeters and area of the base as 16 centimeters. B. Cube with sides of 10 centimeters. C. Cylinder with radius of 3 centimeter and height of 5 centimeter. D. Cone with diameter of 4 centimeter and height of 6 centimeters. E. Rectangular pyramid with 12 centimeter by 18 centimeter base and height of 20 meters. You can always pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. Now here are quick solutions for all these questions. Let's begin with square-based prism. So what we are given here is a square-based prism. That means the base is square, all sides are equal, right? And height is also equal to the length of the side, so that is the kind of the height. So what you have here is a square-based prism. To find the volume of square-based prism, we have to multiply area of base into height. So it says square-based prism with height of 4, so height is 4. The area of the base is 16. So in this particular case, it's like a cube, right? So since height is also equal to the side lengths, so area of the base is 16. So the volume V is area of base times height. So in this particular case, volume is area of the base is 16 centimeters square times 4, and so what we get here is 6 times 4 is 24, 64 centimeter cube, right? So that is how you could find the area times height as the volume. Now for you, I can say another question where you can say area of the base equals to, let's say, 20 centimeters square, and the height equals to, let us say, 5 centimeters. Find volume, right? Now let's do part B. Part B is a cube with side lengths of 10 centimeters. So volume of a cube is what? Is cube of the side length. So it is 10 cube and the units will be centimeter cube. So it will be 1000 centimeter cube. Correct? So that is how you get the volume of square-based prism. Right? So it is basically two formulas being used. If it is a cube, then it is side cube as equal to volume. Correct? Let's move on and take up the next question. Find the volume of cylinder with radius of 3 centimeters and height of 5 centimeters. So let's sketch one cylinder here. So in this case, we are given that the radius is 3 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. The formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r square into height. Basically, the formula is area of base times height. Area of the base is, it is a circle, right? So circle area is pi r square times height. In our case, radius is given as 3, so pi times 3 square times height of 5. We can use the calculator and find the answer. So we can use 3.14 as a value of pi, right? Times 3 square times 5 equals 2. In decimals, this value is 141.3 and the units will be centimeter cube. So if you want to round it to whole numbers, it will be 141 centimeter cube. So that is how you could actually find volume of a cylinder, area of base into height. Now the next question is find the volume of a cone. So in the case of a cone, the volume is 1/3 that of the cylinder, right? So whenever you are talking about cones or even pyramids, the volume is 1/3. So we can say volume equals to 1/3 times pi r square h. So basically it is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. So that's the formula, and you can now substitute the values. Radius is given to you as how much? We are given diameter as 4. So when diameter is 4 centimeters, radius is 4 divided by 2, 2 centimeters, correct? So in our case, the radius is 2 centimeters. So we can substitute 2 for radius, and the height is 6 centimeters. So the height is 6 centimeters times 6. So that gives you the answer. You could simplify this a bit, and you can write this as 8 pi units a centimeter cube as the exact value, and to one decimal place I could round it multiplying 8 with 3.14, which gives you a value of 25.12 or approximately 25 centimeter cube. Let's move on and take the next question, which is to find the volume of a rectangular pyramid with 12 centimeter by 18 centimeter base and height of 20 centimeters. So basically we have a rectangle whose sides are 12 centimeter by 18 centimeters. So let's say this is the base, which is rectangular. So in this case we are given the sides to be 12 and 18, and the height of this is 20. So the height, let it be, let's say 20, right? So we can join this point with all the other vertices. Correct? Now since we know the height and the area of the base, we can find the volume. So let's find the area of the base first, which will be 12 times 18. Correct? Let's use the calculator to find the answer. So we get 12 times 18 equals to 216 meter. So let me change this to centimeter itself, right? So centimeter square. Okay. So area of the base is 12 times 18, which is 216 centimeter square. And now to get the volume is 1/3 of the volume, area of the base, times height. That's the formula, right? So we get 1/3 of this area of 216 times the height, which is 20. So we have this height as 20. So we'll just multiply this by 20. So we have 216 times 20 and divide by 3. So that gives you 1440 centimeter cube as the volume of this particular rectangular pyramid. So the formula to remember is that for pyramids, it is always 1/3 of that of a prism. We get the volume of 1440 centimeter cube for the rectangular pyramid. So I hope with this example, you understand how to find volume of 3D shapes. So basic criteria is to find area of base and then times it with height. So that gives you volume of prism. And also remember that volume of pyramid is normally equals to 1/3 volume of prism. So if you remember that, then it becomes simpler to solve such questions. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you share my videos with your friends, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.